Welcome back to the Maddie and Allie show. And so welcome to this video, and it is our first unboxing. Sorry we haven't gotten to you, but Allie, do you want to say what that is? No, she doesn't want to say it, but this is Allie's new unicorn model toy. But today we're going to be unboxing the Ella Color Change Surprise from Breyer. This video is not sponsored. It's from Pony Gals. Sorry, not Breyer. It's a Breyer, but it's not from Pony Gal. It's from Pony Gals. So first we're going to check out the box. First of all, let me tell you, I love this background scene. It is a very pretty bathroom. We have the spray. We have a brush, and of course, right here we have Ella. Sorry. And down here it says, hair and spots change color with water. And then it says in 2 different languages. And right here it says, Breyer, Pony Gals, after, whatever. So right here it says you're going to spray her hair with water. Before, this is a before hair, and that's the after hair. And then on the back, this is going to be a lot of reading. Look at all that. Hair and spots change color with water. Lee Crin, blah, blah, blah. I can't say all that. Allie, do you want to show who that is?
I don't know her name.
What do you want to name her, Lily?
Wait, that is her.
Do you want to name her Lily?
Oh.
So this is Lily. She is Ella's sister. She's pink. She is pretty. Yeah, there's a little knot thing in that. We'll have to look at. So now I'm going to read all this. It says, Ella understands the importance of staying true to herself, so as she is full of energy enjoying playing on her soccer team. She also loves to pamper herself. After a fun day with her pals, a bath is the perfect way to relax and reveal her true colors. It was only that part. The rest are in different languages. So I'm not going to let you see that because that's her after. On this side it has her after. So let's get to unboxing Ella. Okay, now let's cut. Sorry, I have Allie holding the camera right in front of me. But we have Ella. Here, let me get her out of the box. So here is Ella. She has really nice hair. It came with her hair smells bad. A special offer, and it says get Jasmine free to Plushie Pony. I think that's Jasmine because look at that. Do they look the same? So here's the Jasmine, and here's that Jasmine.
Oh my goodness, this is way because mine.
So I think this one is Jasmine. So we're just going to call you Jasmine.
Yeah, this is the big sister.
Jasmine, you can have that paper.
Maddie.
And then it comes with this horse scene, which is a little like magazine from Breyer, with a bunch of things you can get.
Yes,
like that spirit stuff. Let me look at it.
Maddie.
Yeah, it has a lot of nice stuff. Now we're going to start unboxing her. I can't film this. Sorry, that was Jasmine fell. I can't film this because it's going to be too hard. So I'll just see you after. Jasmine just fell again. Guys, I just wanted to show you the back. It's crazy. I guess I'm just going to be cutting the back. My scissors won't go under, so see you after. Oh, and so you know, the reason we have not so good filming and editing is because we only have 2 options for editing, which is changing the lighting settings and adding music that you can only play for like the whole video. You can't add it and then take it away. So that's why we have bad editing and stuff. So see you after I finish cutting all this open. Okay guys, so after a lot of cutting, I finally got our pretty Ella out. Ella has a nice long tail, lots and lots of her front mane. We have this little pop piece. It just like, whoa!
Oh,
It's crazy.
nice.
And then she has this blanket that has an E on it for Ella. And I'm going to show you what Ella's putting her little floppy in. That's Jasmine. She probably... Let's have a look at this thing. Guys, I just found out that this actually has a J for Jasmine. Oh my gosh, I never noticed that. So I'm going to show you what Ellie looks like without this on. So I'm going to show you how to take it off of Ellie. So you're going to come to the side of Ellie and deattach that. Then sit her up and you're going to take this strap off. Once the strap is off, it's an easy removal. All you gotta do is just, sorry, this is so glitchy. You just gotta remove that. And Ellie's jacket / cover up is off. And we revealed her nice purple skin. Purple and white skin. Now it comes with this gem bottle. I'm gonna spray you. And then it comes with this nice brush. You can brush her tail, which is naughty. But I'm going to show you guys what happens with Jasmine. So we're going to go into the kitchen and fill this up with water. So I'm going to take you out. Everyone's talking in my house right now, so I'll see you in a sec. Okay, next you're going to squeeze it. See? Alright, this is full of water. And now we're gonna go get Ella. Okay, we're gonna take Ella out here. I'm gonna place Ella in our very filthy sink. Take her thing and squirt her with it. Nothing's happening so far, so I'm just gonna keep spraying her. See what will happen. On the camera, this looks blue, but it's a really dark purple. And Allie wants to show you guys this. That's the other pony's brush. I keep forgetting her name. I'm sorry. It's like Jasmine. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once something has happened. Okay, guys, and after a hot water bath, her hair has turned blue, and she's got in pink. And then Jasmine, her hair has turned like a light pink, white, and she has a white spots that were pink. So now I'm going to splash cold water on them and see what happens. Guys, look at that. They're purple again and freezing cold. So I'm going to show you how cool this is, because like they just transform right over. You ready? Allie, move your hand. See, look at that. She's just turning right to pink. It's crazy. Move your hand, Allie. This is very hot water. And now we're going to get it really cold water. Okay, it's freezing cold, so now watch it turn back. And watch her hair. That is crazy, guys, isn't it? Okay, guys, and now I grabbed some towels that we're going to wrap our horses up in. See you after. Okay, now that Jasmine is in her towel all nice and warm, the hair is still wet, so we're going to brush it. So we're just going to grab Jasmine. I'm going to hold her tightly against me. We're going to go down to our living room with Jasmine. So I'm going to just set Jasmine down in her bathroom. taking her towel off. And there, Jasmine is in there. You cannot see her face because the briar thing's stuck and now he's getting it. Oh, Jasmine fell. Poor Jasmine.
Oh, cool.
I mean, poor Ella. Oh my gosh, I can't keep names straight. So now I'm going to grab the brush and brush her hair.
Hi.
Jasmine.
Hi.
So I'm going to brush her hair. See you after, because it's hard to film with one hand while you're brushing. Stay tuned to our next video. Stay tuned for our next video. That's going to be how to curl hair with a pencil, water, and a hairbrush. So you know, guys, we probably will be filming us open LOLs really soon. Because one of our family members has been buying us a bunch of LOLs. Shout out to Grammy. She is so nice and we are so thankful for her. I hope you're watching this video.
Hey guys, brought us those big LOL.
She's brought us the big LOL dolls. She's brought us a bunch of LOLs. And we've also gotten the box LOLs.
Yeah,
the ones that
and
come in a box. Not the fake, they're real. They come in the box and they have all those accessories, like there's an ice cream shop and a car one.
Yeah, I got car one. Super cool.
I got the ice cream one.
Make sure
Super
you get
cool.
the car one. It's super fun.
And
And guess the door opens.
yeah. Allie's really excited about that, but shout out to our Grammy. I hope you're watching this video.
Bye.
Okay, guys, Ella is done with her hair. It's a little crazy because, sorry, I wasn't filming Ella. I thought I was on camera. It's a little crazy. It won't stay. Like whenever I take her bang part and I put it back, it flops forwards. But Allie's is staying back. That's that short piece. I don't know how. Like, even if I try to brush it back.
Still not good.
See, it won't stay. So I just have to go with it and brush it down. Kind
Like
of
Manny,
keep it off to the
I
side.
think I pushed it to the side a lot.
Allie had to push it a lot, so I guess I'm going to try that. Okay, so now that they should feel about comfortable, we're going to put them in their little towels. If you're seeing all this mess, that's from just opening the box. There's too much. Their eyes are matching. Your bang is driving me crazy. Sorry. So now we're just going to get their robes on. See you after. Well, their blankets. See you after.
It might take long, guys.
You won't even they'll see it, and it won't feel long to you. But right now, I have you sitting on the table in case you can see a little brown, because I am undoing a bunch of knots. I'm almost done, but lucky you guys don't have to sit and hurt your fingers trying to unknot something that was knotted that my mom must have knotted while she was bored. Right now she's
That was me.
that was Allie. Right now my mom is doing a puzzle and my brother just finished his
Guys,
room.
you may not see brown, but you may see black.
Yeah. You might see black, you might see brown, you might see an alien. But I can't edit aliens in, so it'd have to be a real alien.
Yeah.
See you after. And I'm sorry, guys. I've seen 2 requests for my morning routine and my makeup routine. If you were just guessing that I have makeup, but I do wear face stuff in the morning. Sorry, that was my dog. But I can't. He needs to be quiet sometimes. But I can't show my face, so I can't do it. I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh! I'm going to try to do some screen mirroring videos of Roblox, but that only works on computers, and I don't have Roblox on my computers.
And guys, just so you know, her front of her nose colors changes too.
Yeah, their front of their noses color changes. See you after. So, you know, guys, I will try to, sorry, Allie's horse keeps falling. I will try my best to, film a video to just show you guys what I use on my face each morning and night, but it's going to be really hard to. And we're going to be doing our morning routines in Barbie form. Because we can't show you guys our real morning routine, we're going to be doing it in Barbie form. Okay, guys, so I finally got Ella in her outfit. That took ages. She got her little E on it. I will try my best, though, about screen mirroring. I'm probably never going to be able to do it because it would have to be on my mom's computer. But, yeah, I'm going to try my best. My sister's out talking to Allie. So I am going to show you a few pages of this horse book, I guess. Random, out of the ordinary spirit. I am going to be doing a video of just flipping through this book with music. So I'm only going to do 2 pages for a sneak peek. Okay, maybe that was 3. Yep, Allie's back. So now we're just going over onto getting that one on the horse. We're probably going to be doing lots of videos with these, so yeah.
But maybe more several of those. Please try it.
I'm going to tie this quick. See you guys after. Hey guys, I got Jasmine in her outfit. Sorry, my camera's a little wonky that time. But I think that's it for today. So, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Bye!